Yes, blessed my people. Yeah, no, we're kind of sound away, but yes. So if you're just tuning in, you see by the title, before we even start the video, like it, because this is really interesting info. Yes. So you ever wonder about saltfish? And it's mostly Caribbean people eat saltfish. And you ever wonder why? You ever know, you know what saltfish really look like? So I was searching on the internet and I found this article. Well, I was listening to some TikTok video and it really dawned on me to really check it out, about mermaids. And I always see saltfish, but I never see it without it being cut in half and you only see the tail alone. You understand, people? So I wanted to stick with me for a minute, because this is going to get really spooky. Yes, it's going to get really spooky. And if you're scared easily, better to click off this video. And I will leave a link down below to show you the actual pictures that I saw. But I will only show you the tail for now. But basically, this is a connection between the sea creatures. You ever heard about sea creatures that you have seen on camera and you really cannot explain them? Yes. So I'm going to read the article about this saltfish. So it's basically telling you that Achaean saltfish is so delicious. But do you know what saltfish actually look like? Saltfish is a key item in Caribbean cooking. You hear that, people? In mostly Caribbean cooking. And it is used to create tasty treats like ackee and saltfish fritters, saltfish and callaloo, plus much more. But how much do we actually know about this tasty salted product? Where does saltfish come from? What does saltfish look like? These questions inspired me to source the internet and read articles related to saltfish. And at first it was difficult to find information or pictures, but this tasty saltfish, this tasty fish that most Caribbean people eat at least once per week. Then after, so this guy is basically saying he search the web to basically find what saltfish is really look like, you understand? Yes. Make sure you like the video, please leave a comment. Yeah man, so with various sources I receive some unbelievable pictures in an email which claim to be saltfish, its natural state. Take a look at these pictures. So basically, people, I'm going to show you just the tail alone, what you normally get, and you can actually see. So it's basically it's directly when you look at the tail, it says it's the saltfish. But what I'm going to say to you today is, you ever notice how Caribbean people always say about mermaids? This is a different topic now, people. About mermaids, and mermaids, oh, they're evilous. They sing, yes, they sing a lot, but they come in many different forms. And also, there are many different species of fish down in the ocean that we may not know of, you understand? So I want you people to share this video, because this is very interesting and other people want to know. So there is a direct similarity to saltfish and mermaid. Yes, stop for a minute. Don't just judge me like that, Don't just say I'm crazy. Just look at it for a minute. Yes. And why would you be a mermaid and be so evil against people and sometimes carry them to the sea and all of those Disney movies and those Disney Ariel, you know that Disney mermaid Ariel, that was the name. Check into that and all those things. Mermaid can also take away your voice. carry underwater, and they can let you breathe underwater, and they can take you away for years. That's why sometimes many people go to sea, and up to this day they are missing, and you have not found a body or anything. Why you think a lot of seamen go to sea and you never see them again? It's a reason. It's a reason for that, people. So why I get this, I was checking, and I look into it, people, and I was saying like, no, something must be wrong. But my mind, we have a certain ability. When we know something is wrong, we actually figure it out, if only if we want to figure it out. Yes, but my people, I'm going to leave the link down in the description on this so-called saltfish that you only see the tail and not the head. Yeah, because I don't want to put this up on people getting scared, and maybe YouTube get, yes, I'm just going to show you the actual tail and leave the link down in the description. So, yeah, so caution, don't click on it, and if you're scared easily or you have nightmares after this. Yes, my people. So this is just basically it, and I want to thank you for watching. And if you want a part 2 to this video on researches or anything, subscribe to the channel and comment part 2. Yes. So I want to thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day. Yeah, Jamaica Don't Go Again TV. That's it.